Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nacho cheese with Kraft Singles. Start by gathering Kraft Singles, milk, butter, and your favorite spices, then set a small pot over low heat. Tear or chop the singles into strips so they melt faster. Stir constantly while adding milk gradually to achieve a glossy, pourable consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving warm over chips or loaded nachos. Gather all ingredients and prep before heating to keep the process smooth and quick. Tear or chop 6 Kraft Singles into small pieces so they melt uniformly, and whisk together 1 cup milk and cornstarch separately to avoid lumps. Keep butter and spices within reach to tweak texture and flavor as you go. A little planning helps you avoid overcooking and creates a silky sauce perfect for nachos or dipping. Heat butter gently and warm the milk just below simmering to prevent grainy cheese. Add the chopped Kraft Singles slowly, stirring constantly until the mixture becomes smooth and glossy. If the cheese is too thin, whisk a bit of cornstarch into cold milk and add slowly. If too thick, thin with a splash of milk. Finish by tasting and adding chili powder, salt, or pepper for a balanced, crowd-pleasing sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.